Somewhere in the Persian Gulf, a radar screen lit up. 1 dot, then 5, then 50, then 100 incoming targets, all moving fast, all moving together. The crew had seconds, but this time nobody reached for a missile. Nobody reached for a missile. What happened next had never happened before in any war in history. No missile launched, no bullet fired, just a beam of invisible light traveling at the speed of light. The first drone fell, then 10 more, then 50. They didn't explode, they didn't catch fire in the air. They just stopped and dropped into the sea. The weapon that did this is called HELIOS. HELIOS stands for High Energy Laser with Integrated Optical Dazzler and Surveillance System. It was built by Lockheed Martin under a contract awarded by the U.S. Navy. But it is not just a laser. It is 3 weapons in one: a destroyer, a blinder, and a surveillance system, all inside one machine. And it runs on something every warship already has: electrical power. No ammunition, no reload. As long as the ship has power, HELIOS never runs out of shots. Now here is the part that will make your jaw drop. Every time the U.S. military fires a Patriot missile to stop one incoming drone, it costs millions of dollars. One shot for one drone. Iran knows this. They deliberately send swarms of cheap drones specifically to drain America's budget. One HELIOS shot costs less than $1. That is not a mistake, less than $1. America just flipped the entire cost equation of modern warfare. But how does a beam of light actually destroy a drone? HELIOS has 2 modes. The first is called hard kill. The laser focuses intense heat on one single point of the target: the wing, the engine, the fuel line. Within seconds, that point reaches thousands of degrees. The drone catches fire and falls. The second mode is called soft kill or dazzle. Instead of destroying the drone, the laser targets its eyes, its cameras, its sensors. It permanently blinds them. The drone loses all direction. It cannot see where it is going, and it crashes into the sea, completely intact but completely useless. The ship carrying HELIOS is one of the most advanced warships ever built. HELIOS is not bolted on as an experiment. It is permanently integrated into the ship's entire combat system. Its radar, its targeting, its fire control, all connected. The system can detect a target, lock onto it, and fire, all in under 1 second. And unlike a missile, it never misses due to distance. Light does not slow down. Light does not drift. Light arrives at exactly the point you aimed it. But HELIOS is not perfect, and being honest about its weaknesses makes it even more impressive when you understand what it overcomes. It can only target one thing at a time. A swarm of 100 drones means 100 individual shots. Weather affects it. Heavy rain, thick fog, dust storms, they all weaken the beam over distance. It needs enormous electrical power. Some warships simply do not generate enough power to run HELIOS at full strength alongside all their other systems. These are real problems, and the U.S. Navy is working on all of them. Right now, HELIOS fires at a certain power level, but the system is already designed to scale far beyond that. At higher power levels, it can destroy not just drones, but also incoming cruise missiles and ballistic warheads. The U.S. Army has already declared an upgraded version fully operational on land vehicles. Britain has Dragonfire. Australia has Apollo. The entire world is quietly building laser arsenals. The age of bullets and missiles is not ending today, but it has started ending. And HELIOS is where that story began.